Upholstery classic and sports car. Today we're pleased to offer to you this beautiful 1988 Ford Escort XR3. It's a Mark II version, it's a pre-EFI version, and it's a one owner car from new. It's covered 64,000 miles. In a very, very original, superb condition. We'll take you around the car and show you some of the details on the car, and then we'll take you for a buzz up the road. The car is cold now. It's just been driven out of the showroom, so almost cold, so we'll start it up from cold as well. Been very well looked after, as you can see. Ex-Ford employee's car. They ordered all the car new with all the options available, excluding the trip computer. So we've got the front driving lights, alloy wheels. Alloy in the spare has never been on. We've got mud flaps, we've got mats, we've got factory sliding tilt sunroof, which if you ever look closely is in superb condition, which again is unusual. So there we are on the outside of the car. Just closing for a little bit of detail for you. It's in lovely condition. These 80s Hitachi's cars are all the rage at the moment, and a good low mileage one should be a sound investment. It's got an alarm with two fobs, which is all still working. We'll show you in the boot and under the bonnet, then we'll take you inside the car. So the first thing you'll notice in the boot is the shelf there, which is uncut, so there's no extra speakers. The car's got the original Ford radio cassette. So again, details around these shuts and everything. The car's not been over detailed, but it is very clean. So a little bit of stain on the carpet there, it shows up on the camera. Underneath the carpet there, we've got the original spare wheel and tyre, and there's no corrosion anywhere in the boot. Under the bonnet, it's the 1600 CVH fuel injected engine, so it's mechanical fuel injection. It's pre-EFI, so less trouble. So the wings are the original, the original seams there, and also we can see the date stamps on the wings as well. So again, if you're looking on the inner wings there, no rust or anything. And all around the battery area there, that's wax oil in there, it's not corrosion, it's not been welded. And the bulkhead all good. Inside the car, lovely place to be. So we've got the grey sports seats. This is a driver's seat, and if you look down the bolster here, there's no wear at all, which is so unusual. Not been retrimmed. Door cards in good condition. A little bit of lift in there just on the vinyl, unfortunately, but it's not split or anything like that, so it's acceptable. And coming down the shuts there, bottom of the doors there, no corrosion. Sills. There's the mileage on the car, 64,442 as we stand. Original stereo, 5-speed gearbox. Ford mats, and underneath the mats, perfect carpets. In the back, same story. Rear seat belts fitted. Carpets and overmats in lovely condition. Headlining, perfect, and the sunroof blind. So it's cold, as we'll see in a second. We'll start up for you. Right, that's no throttle. As you can see, the temperature gauge dead cold under the bonnet. Super sweet, as good as it gets on one of these. So there are, that's the XR3 presentation. We'll now take it up the road for you and show you it drives as good as it looks. Okay, we'll take you up the road in this lovely second generation XR3i. 64,000 miles, one owner. Car's just getting up to operating temperature now, so it should drive nice. So dead straight ahead. Recently serviced with cam belts. So we've got the original stereo.
Funny thing that you never gain self-control.
All working. Factory sliding to the sunroof. Electric windows, electric mirrors. So it's got a lot of modern conveniences. Car doesn't feel out of place compared to a modern car. It'll keep up with everyday traffic. It's still quite a fast car for its day. So we go up and down the gears. Gear selection's good. It's very good for one of these. Sometimes I don't quite go into the gears very well. This one does. So it drives just as low mileage car should do. Upholstery's in super condition, there's no body creaks or rattles. Brakes, there's no judder, and they're pulling up dead straight ahead. Ticking over the roundabout there, ticking over about 600 revs per minute. Sweet as a nut.